In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gantt chart using TeamGantt in Trello. By the end, you'll have the TeamGantt power-up added to your Trello board so you can view your project on a clean, interactive timeline. Start by opening Trello and heading to the board where you want a Gantt chart. Make sure you're on the correct board and that you have permission to manage power-ups. On many teams, only board admins can add them. If you're on the free Trello plan, remember you're limited in how many power-ups you can enable per board, so you might need to remove an existing one first. On your board, open the Power-Ups section. Depending on your Trello layout, you'll find power-ups in the board header or within the board menu. Click it to view what's already enabled and to access the power-ups directory. Next, choose Add Power-Ups. This opens Trello's marketplace where you can search for integrations. Think of this as the app store for your board. In the search bar, type TeamGantt. You should see the official TeamGantt power-up appear in the results. Check that you're selecting the correct listing from the trusted provider and take a quick glance at the description to confirm it's the Gantt timeline integration you want. Click Add. Trello may show a brief summary of what the power-up can do and what access it needs. Review that so you know how it connects with your board data, like reading card names and dates. If your workspace has restrictions, you might see a prompt to request approval from an admin. You may see a second prompt labeled Add or Enable. Click that to confirm and finish. This finalizes the connection between your board and TeamGantt. After a moment, you should see TeamGantt appear in your board's power-ups list, confirming it's active. At this point, TeamGantt is set up on your board. The integration reads your Trello cards and their dates to display them on a timeline. If you use due dates or start and end dates on cards, that information becomes the foundation of your Gantt view. If you don't immediately see the power-up options, refresh the board and check the power-ups panel again. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your board's dates accurate so your timeline stays trustworthy. Limit clutter by archiving old cards. And if your team uses custom fields for start dates, make sure they're consistently filled in so the timeline reflects real schedules. That's all there is to enabling TeamGantt in Trello so you can visualize your project as a Gantt chart. Thanks for watching and happy planning.